We have another mystery box. I covered this one up with paper because it's so hard to blur it for me in editing for some reason. But this one, oh my gosh, I almost cut myself. This one is from Dorothy. Once again, Dorothy, thank you so much for blessing us with these mystery boxes. And Sheldon is here because he is a nosy. Wants to see what we got and see what he can steal to make his own little collection of supplies. Is that what you're doing? You're causing mischief and grabbing stuff for your brother and you to play with? He is the more adventurous one. That one, I mean, that one's pretty good. That one is Finn, and he doesn't really bother me too much, but Sheldon's all up in everything. Do you want first dibs? Do you? Ooh, it looks like it's diamond paintings. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Let's see what we got here. Oh, she sent a little letter. It says, I know these items will be a big hit and I look forward to themed boxes. I'll watch for a decision on that. For now, enjoy this box. So yeah, I do want to do our own mystery boxes. I kind of have an idea for it. I'm not sure if y'all would be interested in like a subscription mystery box through our Patreon, because we have shut down our eBay. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin in Tampa Bay, Florida. Customers can trade in their leftover supplies for store credit, and that's how we get all of our cool stuff. We've had some really nice people just sending us some gifts though in the mail, which has been nice. Dorothy has been definitely hooking us up, so thank you, Dorothy. But yeah, we recently shut down our eBay and we don't take payments through our website anymore either. So really, Patreon I think might be a good option for the mystery boxes. So if y'all think that would be okay, let me know. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's like a monthly subscription, like to help your favorite content creators out. And I have a tier right now currently for $25 where you get a greeting card sent to you each month. So I'm thinking for a bit of a higher tier, we could do a mystery box where every month you get a mystery box sent to you, or we can see about setting up a one-time payment somehow. But yeah, still working on that. Haven't forgot, just been really busy. We have some little patches here, some self-stick mounting foam. Ooh, that comes in handy for the card makers like me for sure. We've got some little keychains, it looks like. Diamond painting trays. What are you going to take out of this one? Huh? What are you going to take? You took a pipe cleaner out of the last bin. Sheldon, I'm kind of trying to film something here. Can you... I mean, cat's boxes, what can you do? Ooh, this is fun. It's a little roll of stickers, and these are mushrooms. Oh my gosh, do I want? No, I'll be good, I'll be good. More diamond paintings. This is so cool. Ooh, it's a gnome, a little sunflower gnome. These are definitely going to sell well in the shop. Thank you, Dorothy. These are great. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at these Scrabble pieces. This is also a really good seller for us. I don't even quite know what people do with these. I mean, I've heard things like putting names on picture frames or ornaments, or I don't know, but that's kind of cool. What do you want? This bag? The M&Ms? Oh my gosh, they're M&M little charms. That is also really cool. I know. I know people are gonna go crazy for these. That is absolutely adorable. Sheldon loves them. Sheldon approves. We've got some sequins here. Magnifying glass. I can see my big kitty. My enlarged kitty. What do you want? You just want to play, huh? You just want whatever's in here, don't you? It doesn't even matter. You just want it. I can respect that. Your mama's the same way. What are you? I don't know. Something to do with something. I couldn't even guess. Ooh. Huh. Another. Does this have a light on it? Wait, this might be great for trying to determine like if jewelry is marked silver or gold. Oh, I think, actually, I don't know what these are. There's some little plastic pieces in here. Gosh, more Scrabble pieces. Oh my gosh, we hit the jackpot on the Scrabble pieces. And little foam blocks. Don't know if these are for anything specific, but I'm sure someone will come up with a cool use. There's another one of those little turny thingies. It has to be for something craft related, I would imagine. The crochet light. Interesting. It's a crochet hook. Does it light up? It probably needs batteries, but it looks like it's a crochet hook that lights up. And then we have for a sewing machine, horizontal bobbin sewing machine set, foot needles. Ooh, these are some flat back pieces. Really good for art. Oh my gosh, they're magnets. They're magnetic. They have oh, I love the one with the house. I might need to stick that in my fridge. Oh, those are really cute. Really cute magnets. And some sort of gold hoops. Rings. A belt. Ooh, that's good for repurposing for jewelry and things like that. Some long needles. And more of these. Oh, these are great for diamond painting, picking up beads, using rhinestones and flat backs. These will definitely come in handy. Oh, I think this is like a little tablet stand. Yes, I'm pretty sure to put your tablet on. That's kind of cool. You might be able to use that at the shop because we use a tablet as our register. And whatever this little piece is. No idea. Well, that was a quick one, but that was super fun. Thank you so much, Dorothy, for thinking of us again. There is another box from her, and I have like 3 more boxes from other people, so stay tuned for more videos. Like, you guys have been so sweet. Thank you for all the love and support and for sending us cool stuff. And like I said, I will be working on those mystery boxes and ways that y'all can purchase them online, so give me ideas in the comments if you have any, and we will get that set up hopefully very, very soon. So make sure to follow or subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!